This next segment features a new surgical breakthrough in eye care. It's a new cataract treatment. Bausch Lomb has developed Crystalens HD. This new technology treats cataracts and gives patients back their full range of vision. It's a quick and painless procedure with minimal downtime. Take a look and see.
Cataract surgery is one of the most commonly performed surgeries in the world. In fact, in the United States, an average of over 8,000 cataract procedures are performed daily. Today, there is a new revolutionary procedure that is dramatically changing the outcome for cataract patients. Bausch Lomb, the eye health company dedicated to perfecting vision and enhancing life, has brought us a great product and procedure, which has helped thousands of people across the country. It's known as Crystalens procedure, the only FDA-approved premium intraocular lens that can treat both a person's cataracts and presbyopia, which is the loss of near and intermediate vision. Crystalens patients can expect to see sharper images than they've seen in years.
Cataract surgery is the #1 surgery in the U.S., with 3 million of them done every year. So all of us, if we're lucky enough to live that long, will eventually have cataract surgery. It's an easy procedure. It's done while the eye's asleep, but the body's awake. And literally in the course of about 10 minutes, you can regain your sharp vision. The older style lens implants were very good, but for a limited range of vision. With the older style lens implant, once it's in the eye, there's a limited range where the vision's sharp without glasses. So like your disposable camera, it'll take a good picture about 10 or 20 feet away, but certainly no picture that's really close. So if you do have surgery with the older lens, you'll have a good result for distance vision. But for computer or reading, almost certainly you'll be wearing glasses. And that's where the Crystalens is different. It's not only the highest quality lens that Bausch Lomb makes, but it gives the widest range of vision also. And so with this Crystalens in the eye, you'll not only get the distance vision, but intermediate and a large degree of near vision.
My name is Graham Nash. I'm an artist, primarily known as a musician, but I've been making images much longer than I've been making music. The cataracts on my eyes were turning yellow, and therefore light entering my eyes was affected by a yellow filter. Now, it happened so gradually that I didn't really notice everything. As soon as I had the operation, it was startling, not only in the clarity of my vision, but in the color spectrum that I was seeing. All of a sudden, blues were like magical colors. In 6 minutes per eye, he changed my vision completely for the better. What he did was he replaced my lenses with these Crystalens HD lenses. And I must tell you, it's changed my life.
Patients are often apprehensive about having cataract surgery. They say, "You're going to do what to my eye?" It's much simpler. I start off with telling patients what they won't experience. There is no pain. There are no needles. There are no stitches. There's no bleeding. Once you get those fear things out of the way, patients are far more relaxed. Once the eye is anesthetized, the procedure is to make a tiny incision at the edge of the colored part of the eye. Then, using a machine like this one here, the entire old human lens is removed in a million little pieces. Our new Crystalens is then rolled up like a carpet, put in through the tiny incision, and opened in the eye. So the entire surgery can be done through an incision that's just 2 millimeters. That's about 1/8 of an inch. After the procedure, there's no eye patch, there's no bandage over it, nothing. You actually start to see within the first 10 minutes. And it can be dramatic. People who've had glasses that are 1 inch thick their entire life, 10 minutes after surgery, can finally see the clock on the wall without glasses.
The operation far exceeded my expectations. I did not expect, A, it to be quite so painless. I didn't expect it to be, B, so quick. I didn't expect it, C, to be so startling in its immediate effect. By the time I'd really realized what was happening, I was out of there and seeing perfectly, instantly. It was shocking to me. And I'm so glad that I did it, because My eyes were deteriorating at a certain rate. That would have continued as I got older. And now, chances are 95% that my vision will not deteriorate, that these lenses will last me for the rest of my life.
With the Crystalens, now you can correct not only your cataract, but also your distance vision, your intermediate vision, and even your near vision, so that your world can be seen without glasses, from near to far, and everything in between.
As cataract surgery continues to be one of the most commonly performed surgeries in the world, this new procedure is sure to be one of the most popular procedures performed in years to come. Many patients are sure to be extremely grateful for this breakthrough one-of-a-kind procedure that Bausch Lomb has provided as they continue to see the world in a sharper, clearer way.